Hello everyone, welcome back to tenorshare channel. iOS 19 or 26 beta version is about to be released. If you are like me, can't wait to experience the latest system optimization, new features and security updates, then you must not miss this video. Here is all the information you need to prepare for iOS 26 beta version. Let's dive in. Tips 1. iOS 19 or 26 compatible devices. First, we must confirm whether our device supports iOS 26. If your model is in the above list, then congratulations, you can experience iOS 26 smoothly. Tips 2. Backup iPhone data before updating. Before officially updating iOS 26, be sure to back up your data in advance. Especially the beta version is inevitably unstable. If there are freezes and incompatible configurations during the upgrade process, some data may be lost. We can directly find iCloud for cloud backup in iPhone setting. Click iCloud Backup and turn on the backup, this iPhone option. This usually takes a few minutes to more than 10 minutes, but if you don't have enough iCloud space, the free version is only 5 GB. You need to clean up iCloud in advance or buy more space. If your cloud space is not enough for backup, you can use iTunes. Launch iTunes or Finder on your PC or Mac and connect your iPhone. Click the Backup Now option and wait for the process to complete. This may take a long time. Also, I should mention that iTunes will back up data to the C drive of your computer by default, which is usually the system drive. If you don't want to fill up your C drive with iPhone backups, I suggest you try iCareFone. iCareFone is an iPhone data management tool that can back up iPhone data to any location on your computer. It can detect and identify iTunes backups in your computer, as well as transfer and restore your iPhone data. You can download it from the link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac. Then, click the Backup and Restore option on the left. Customize the data you want to back up, such as contacts, photos, and videos. Click Edit, and you can choose the path to save the data. Finally, click Backup. Now, iCareFone starts backing up your iPhone data. If you have a lot of backups on your iPhone, it will take a few minutes. After the backup is complete, you can also click View Backup to check the backup on your computer. If you want to restore the backup, please click the Restore to Device option. It's really simple. Tips 3. Make sure the iPhone has enough space. Go to iPhone Setting. Click General. Find iPhone Storage and check the remaining available space on your iPhone. Make sure your device has enough storage space to download and install iOS 19 or 26 beta. This time, the iOS beta upgrade package is about 79 GB. Normally, I recommend that you leave about 15 GB of space to prevent lags caused by insufficient memory. You can delete infrequently used apps or large games, clear useless photos or videos in the album. Tips 4. Make sure your iPhone has enough power and a stable network. During the system upgrade, if your phone is out of power or the network is disconnected, it may directly lead to upgrade failure and data corruption. So make sure your phone has more than 60% power and is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Tips 5. How to update iOS 19 or 26 beta. To download iOS 19 or 26 beta, you need to get the corresponding description file first. You need to open this website in the browser. Scroll down. You can see Apple's latest iOS system. Now it is still iOS 18. Click it. Here, click the download function in the upper right corner. Log in with your Apple ID. After the first successful login, you will see a message like this. Click Yes, and your device will gain access to register for iOS beta. Then you can see the iOS beta version option in the iPhone software update. Click it and update. I am demonstrating iOS 18 here. The same operation is also applicable to iOS 26. Okay, this is what you must know before updating iOS 19 or 26. If you have any questions about this update process or want to know more about the new features in depth, please leave a message in the comments section below. We will provide more detailed experience reports and function interpretations in subsequent videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Thank you for watching. See you next time.